Hello, everyone. This is my review of Viva Naturals Virgin Coconut Oil. This coconut oil is a 16-ounce can and it's supposed to be non-GMO. The coconut oil, it looks like a solid right now because it's a little bit cold where I'm at now. But when it's heated up in a warmer environment or room temperature, it's actually a liquid. But right now you can see it's a little bit solid or gel-like. But as soon as you put some heat to it, it turns right into oil. This oil have different uses. You can cook with it. You can use it on your skin to moisturize your skin and other things that you use the oil for. So I recommend this oil. I like it, and I hope this review helps.